Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how we can delete a user account on our Windows 10 operating system. So here you can see on this login window I have two users here. CB is the administrator of this computer, and this user 2 is the user we are going to delete in this video. Okay, so we want to delete this user 2 from this Windows 10 operating system. So just click on your admin user account. In my case this is CB. So log in with your administrator user account. I'm going to just log in with my administrator user account. And once you are logged in with your admin user account, what you need to do is you can just click on this Windows icon here and then click on settings. And once this settings section opens, you can click on the account tile here. And once this account tile opens, just click on family and other users. And here in the other users section, you will be able to see this new user account or user 2 account. Okay, so just click on the user account you want to delete. So in my case, I want to delete this user 2 account. If you have a family account, then it will be shown here. So you can choose that account, but most likely this procedure will be same for the family account also. Okay, so just click on the account you want to delete and then click on remove. And once you click on the remove option, you will see this window where it will prompt you to just make a copy of all your important files on the user 2 account. So if you have a backup of everything and you are sure that by deleting this account you don't lose any data, then you can just click on this delete account and data. Okay, so just click on this delete account and data button, and it will take some time to delete this user account. And once it's finished, you can see this new user account is no longer visible. And we can also see when we log out. So I'm going to just sign out from this user account. And once I sign out, I can see there is only one user, which is the admin user account remains here, and I don't see any user 2 account anymore here on the login window. So this is how you can delete a user account on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.